Aloha, April Nelson, mortgage loan originator here with Homebridge Financial in Hawaii. Today, I want to talk briefly, very briefly, about property taxes in Hawaii. It's a complicated subject, but basically, there are three parts. First, for qualification purposes on a mortgage loan, we look up a specific property and find out what the current tax is. So this particular one is already set as the homeowner rate, so an owner occupant, and it's got an exemption value, total taxable value there, and this is publicly available information. I'll put the website links in the comments. And you can see here that they're currently paying about $4,200 a year. So we would divide that by 12, and that would be the monthly tax rate that we use for the debt to income for mortgage qualification. However, if you buy this house and you make it into a rental, you may be paying a much higher tax rate. So how do you figure out what you're going to pay for the future? And also note this too, if it's the other way around, you may be looking at two different houses at the exact same price, but if their property taxes are different, then you might not qualify for one and you may qualify for the other. So Hawaii is kind of complicated when it comes to property taxes. So the second part, what will you pay? This is the County of Hawaii, so Big Island property tax rates. And you can see here kind of the most common ones, residential rate, $11 here, and the homeowner rate. So if you are owner occupying the house as a homeowner and you make sure to file your home exemption, then you would pay the lower rate. Again, this is on the tax assessed value. So for a homeowner, the other piece of that is a tax assessed exemption. So they give you an exemption on the tax assessed value and give you a lower rate. How do you figure out what that is? Well, the exemptions here, you can find more information on this website, and I'll put all these websites in the comments. But basically, there are quite a few exemptions. The main one that people file is the home exemption, so that 1971. They will not give it to you automatically. You must file that if you are moving into the house. And if you forget to file it, don't file it for a year or two, you cannot get that tax money back. So it'll save you thousands of dollars. Make sure to file this form with the county, and then it will give you a home exemption amount. And then you can click on here and see it goes by age and various exemption amounts that they will do. But there are some more information, lots of details. Every island is different also. So contact me if you have questions about your property taxes, especially as they relate to how you qualify for a mortgage or what you might expect to pay on a particular property. And I'd be happy to help walk you through it with the details. Thanks for watching. April Nelson, mortgage loan originator here in Kona, Hawaii. Aloha!